Hey everybody, Economic Ninja here. I got a great story out of CNBC. It says the Dow slides 200 points on fears about the profit outlook this year. Now, let's be honest. These stories, these headline stories on the front of CNBC, they just got to give you some rhetoric or the reason why the Dow's up 50 points or it's down 61 points. They just got to be able to say something. But there is some truth back here, and I'm gonna disseminate it for you. It says U.S. stocks slid Wednesday as investors returned focus to the latest batch of corporate earnings. Wall Street also continued to weigh the outlook for future Federal Reserve policy moves. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell by 223 points, just a little over 0.5%. And the S&P slid 1.1%, while the NASDAQ composite dropped 1.6%. Chipotle. I don't even eat a Chipotle. Do you guys eat a Chipotle? Let me know in the comments. Slid more than 4% after missing expectations on the top and bottom lines in the latest results. Probably because people figured out that their burritos were way too expensive. This guy loves driving by me whenever I'm doing a video. I don't know why, he just thinks it's funny. He's like, hey, the ninja's doing a video. I'm gonna go all the way to the end of the cul-de-sac. Whatever. Meanwhile, CVS and Uber gained more than 2% and 6% respectively following the earnings that came in above Wall Street estimates. Investors are looking to post-bell earnings from companies including Walt Disney and, oh, they're woke, and Mattel. They're probably woke too. I can't say that. I don't know if Mattel's. I don't play with toys anymore, except for Legos. To gauge if there are any signs of slowing consumer spending or a weakening in the economy. They're like, Ninja, seriously, what are you talking about? Whatever. Stocks closed near session highs after a volatile bout of trading on Tuesday, driven mainly by Fed Chair Jerome Powell's remarks that inflation has started easing. It's not true. His comments reiterated those given at his press conference last week, further bolstering investor hopes that the central bank will soon pause or pivot on interest rate hikes. Isn't that cute? That's just super cute. Everyone's like, yay, it's gonna happen. He's gonna stop raising rates. We're gonna be able to speculate again. Yeah, it's true. That's what they sound like. I'm gonna be honest with you. Corporate earnings are gonna, I'm trying to a clean word. They're gonna be bad. They're just gonna be bad this next year. You're gonna have this all these quarters, the Q4 earnings come in, and some are gonna be good because they were lifted up by the Christmas season, right? You're gonna see some that are good because people have started to buy instead of just crap that they don't need. They're diving into consumer staples. We saw this with Costco earnings a while back, where they, you listen to their earnings call and Costco says, yeah, people are really diving into, food and things that they need, food and medicine, stuff like that. And they're not, buying patio sets anymore. So that's telling you something. They said that last year. Well, you're going to see that this year. You're going to see more companies like, oh, we're beating estimates because now, honestly, estimates are looking pretty gloomy because analysts are going, man, we're screwed. So we might as well set the bar low. And then they look a little better and people are like, yay, they're better. Well, yeah, it's because you set the bar low. Really? And so you're going to see it get worse and worse and worse throughout this year. And that's good news. If you see it, you read the tea leaves or however you say it, you see the signs of the times and you position yourself properly, you're going to be able to sit back and enjoy. Like, I'll give an example. My retirement. I moved all my retirement into the bond fund last year, a little bit before last year. And as everybody lost 20 to 25% in their retirement account that I knew, I didn't. I actually made it like 1.5%. And it's super, super easy to be ready for these things. So I just want to throw this out to you. I don't think this year is going to be all that great for people that aren't ready, but I think it's going to be amazing for those of you guys that are. So hope you guys have a great day. The Economic Ninja is out.